What's up all? I hope you all been doing great, and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and we are back again with another amazing video. As you can see on the screen, this is the before of the head. This is the headboard. As you can see, I have the lower side of the bed and the sideboards for the bed. So today we are going to be transforming this old bed to something more modern and luxurious. So make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. We really do appreciate your continued support that you've been showing us through all our videos, and thank you for coming back and watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. We really appreciate that. So now I'm going to start by removing these I don't know what I can call them, but it was a design. So I'm going to remove these parts so that I will start making or modifying the headboard to the design that I want. So watch the video till the end. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment. Tell me what you think about this one in the comment section, and most of all, share with your friends, your family, so that they get to see these amazing ideas and enjoy the video. After the long hassle, now I can start modifying or transforming the bed. I started by cutting off these upper knobs, as you have seen in the video, and I'm going to extend or raise the headboard as usual. So I'm going to start joining these adjustment layer so that I can raise the headboard to the desired height, and after that you'll see the process. So I still urge you to stay tuned to the video and watch the video till the end.